All right, I'm recording it. Let's jump right into it. Give some quick products update, record it, and then we'll upload it tomorrow for everyone once everything is a bit more cooled down. So, Fungible Taco, let's go with LandWorks and what's new.
Awesome, thank you. So for LandWorks, last week we have released version 112, and the big news is that we now support voxel properties, or previously known as crypto voxels. Since last week, we already have 13 properties listed and one active rent. We are very excited to move forward with a second supported metaverse, as this is a step forward in making the renting in the metaverse more accessible. Also, we saw that the folks over at the Voxel Discord are excited as well about the integration, and we already have some ideas coming in from them, so that's pretty cool. With last week's release, we launched also our Scene Builders page. Scene Builders is a place where you can find studios or individuals who can help with building your metaverse project. We have some very talented folks we are working with, and more exciting studios are coming in on our Scene Builders page. So stay tuned on that. And also something more on the Scene Builders. Since the launch last week, we have also received several submissions for being listed on the page, which makes us very happy. And we have reached out to all these submissions, and we're eager to meet with you. As part of the release last week, we have also worked on a couple of items requested by the community, like a new view, which hides the map, and also several more sorting options. At the moment, we're working on delivering more features which are requested by the community, so keep them coming, guys, and we'll do our best to deliver on them. I just want to mention as well that we are also working heavily on several exciting partnerships, and we'll have more information on that in the upcoming weeks, but cool things are coming in. So that's it for LandWorks. Passing on to Adi.
Thanks. So MetaPortal, first on the development side, we made a final build with news favorites and some other small improvements and new features. Everything looks fine so far, so there will be a new version tomorrow. There might be some breaking changes, so you have to download the app again. So yeah, we are now preparing the release and the release notes. There will also be a new page in the menu called achievements, so don't be surprised if you don't see the quests in your profile. This page will later be updated with the leaderboard and referrals, which we're already working on. Apart from that, we've been working on the Wallet Connect integration and the Polygon support, but some refactoring is needed there before we are able to test. The work on the SDK also started. The SDK will give game developers the option to integrate the MetaPortal wallet into their games. So we're still in a research phase, and the team is creating the high-level architecture. Also, as I have previously mentioned, we'll be integrating a marketplace into the app and NFT marketplace. And we are done with the designs, but the development will be on a later stage after we're done with all the other features that are currently in progress. Apart from that, we have 2 new games in the portal. These are Gods Unchained, and the other one is Crypto Tanks. Make sure to check them out. By the way, Crypto Tanks is still in alpha, and they're giving rewards to the most active players. So yeah, check it out. And last but not least, if you haven't seen already, we launched 2 Layer 3 contests related to MetaPortal. The first one is for Twitter thread, and is active until the end of this week. We already have 23 submissions, so thank you guys. And the second one is for a video review of a game in the portal. It is active until the end of next week. We have 2 submissions there, and the reward there is bigger, so make sure to check it out. Yeah, that's it on MetaPortal.
Awesome, thanks, Addy. Some other updates on my end. So, like we've shared in the Sharded Minds channel, we're working on a super interesting and massive fractionalization protocol, so we can fractionalize deposited land into pieces. We're going to working on the UX designs for that, and we're by all means, I mean most probably going to launch that in a partnership with another DAO, and in addition to that, we'll probably open source a tool for DAO joint ventures. And related to that, we're going to be buying land. We're currently waiting on a couple offers from architecture firms to build a space, and based on those, we're going to submit governance proposals to the treasury so we can buy land with funds for the treasury, but also we'll do that in the knowing that we're currently in a tough market and we don't want to spend the whole treasury on that, so we will also need to be conscious on keeping reserves in case of a prolonged bear market. That's pretty much the updates around Sharded Minds and other stuff, but apart from that, all good. We're seeing increased activity across our products. We're adding new games on MetaPortal. Land renting is picking up on LandWork, so we're quite excited where everything is going. I think that's it for me. Anyone else has any updates, or should we wrap it up? All right. Let's keep this short. We'll upload this tomorrow for everyone, and we'll meet again in 2 weeks.
Z,
What's up?
since you have unveiled shards, shall we be speaking about shards at all, or not at this call?
I briefly spoke about those. We have shared that in the Sharded Minds channel. So I shared that we're working on the UX. The people know that we are mostly done with the contracts. If there's anything else that you want to share, now's the time, I guess.
Yeah, the contracts and the graph, but of course the heavy lifting is going to be in the web application. So it's going to take some time. Not sure how much yet, but we are hard on this. We believe that once this is out, it's going to be like, essentially it's going to be fractionalization 2.0, and we hope to start a revolution on this.
Nice. All right. I guess that's it for today. We can
GN, guys.
We like the shards.
Thank you, Nick. GM.